Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can open or extract a password-protected zip file in Windows 11. So, let's get started. First, locate the zip file on your computer. Once you've found it, right-click on the file and select Extract All from the menu. A new window will appear, asking where you want to extract the files. You can keep the default folder name or create a slightly different name to make it easier to identify. After choosing the destination folder, click Extract to continue. If the zip file is protected, Windows will prompt you to enter the password. Type the correct password provided by the file owner and then click OK. Make sure the password is entered exactly as it was given, including any capital letters, numbers, or special characters. Windows will then begin extracting the contents of the zip file. The extraction process usually takes only a few seconds, depending on the size of the files. Once the process is complete, the extracted folder will open automatically. You can now access, move, copy, or open the files just like any other files on your computer. That's how you can quickly open and extract a password-protected zip file in Windows 11. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.